Student, welcome back to my channel. Today's I will solve question answer of this lesson. This lesson name is Word Processor Mail Merge, Chapter 2 in Computer Class 6. First of all, I will solve some question in book. Let's start. Now, take the correct option. First, which of the following option is used to create address list? Answer: address list. Second, the preview result command is exist in which of the following groups of the mailing tab? Answer: preview results. Third, which of the following commands is used while creating mail merge? Answer: tab new list. 4. By default, data source file is saved in which of the following folders? Answer: my data sources. 5. Which of these commands under the write and insert field group allows to add individuals tags for every fields in the letter? Answer: insert merge field. Which of the following is not an advantage of the mail merge? Answer: it takes lots of time and effort in writing letters. Write true or false. The greeting line command is used to add a greeting line for the address. True. Second, we cannot see the individual's letter after mail merge. False. Third, we cannot take the print of merged letter. False. 4. We can edit the individual's letters after merge. True. C. Fill in the blanks. First, using mail merge features, we can send the same letter to a large group of people. Second, the main document contains the text of the letter which we want to send the recipients. Third, the start mail merge command is present in the mailing tab. 4. Address block command is present in write and insert field group. F. Application based question. Anita wants to send an invitation of her elder sister's marriage to her friends without writing the individual's letter of everyone. Which features of Word can help her in doing this work? The answer is the mail merge features in Word. Okay, so I have done some question in book. After that, question answer of this lesson in notebook. Word processor mail merge chapter 2. Short answer type question. First, what do you mean by data source in mail merge? Answer: in a mail merge, the data source is the file or database that contains the personalized information to be installed into the main documents. Second, write the name of the command used to add address list. Answer: the command used to add an address list is tab new list within the mail merge features in Microsoft Word. Third, which command is used to see the preview of the merged letter? Answer: in Microsoft Word, the preview result command is used to see the preview of a merged letter. Long answer type question. Write any 4 advantages of mail merge. Answer: advantages of mail merge are: first, it saves time and efforts. Second, it allows to make changes in several very quickly. Third, it allows to produce thousands of letters quickly. 4. It allows to save the letters as template for later use. 2. Write the name of components of the mail merge. Answer. Components of mail merge. There are three main components of mail merge in Word, which are as follows. First, main documents. It is a document that contains the text of the letter which we want to send to our friends. Second, data source. It is a separate file that contains all information about recipients of the letter. Third, merge documents. It is the final documents created by merging the main documents and data source. It contains a list of letters with text and detail of a person. What is merge documents? Answer. Merge documents is the final documents created by merging the main documents and data source. It contains a list of letters with text detail of a person. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. After that, I will solve periodic assignment 1 based on chapter 1 and 2. Name the type of computer shown below. Analog computer, smartwatch, hybrid computer, and digital computer, digital camera, supercomputer. Okay. B. Define the following. First, analog computer. Analog computer refers to a computer that operates by measuring instead of counting. Second, mail merge. The mail merge features in Word is used to create personalized letters to be sent to many persons. Data source. It is a separate file that contains all information about recipients of the letters. Hybrid computer refers to a computer that provides the functionality of both an analog and a digital computers while processing and displaying data. Give any two examples of each of the following. Macro computer, desktop, laptop. Two macro mini computer, PDP-11, PDP-8. 3 embedded computer, ATM, digital camera. 4 handheld computer, smartphone, smartwatch. Okay student, I have done question answer chapter 2 and periodic assignment 1. Okay student, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye.